Hey there, parents! Looking for a fun and educational gadget that will blow your mind? Check out this foldable drone with a 1080p HD camera. It's perfect for beginners and kids. First up, let's talk about the camera. This drone captures stunning 1080p HD videos and photos, so your family can record every adventure from an amazing aerial perspective. Whether it's a backyard BBQ or a family hike, this drone has you covered. Now, what makes this drone so user-friendly? It features voice and gesture control. Imagine telling your drone to take off, land, or even perform a 360-degree flip with just your voice or a simple hand gesture. It's like magic. Worried about the kids handling it? No problem. The one-key takeoff and landing make it super easy to control, even for the youngest pilots. Plus, the optical flow positioning helps the drone hover steadily, ensuring smooth and stable flights every time. Planning a family outing? The foldable design and carrying case make it incredibly portable. Just fold it up, pack it in the case, and you're ready to go. It's the perfect travel companion for any adventure. But wait, there's more. The Waypoint Fly feature lets you draw a custom flight path on your smartphone, and the drone will follow it automatically. How cool is that? So if you're looking for a fun, educational, and super cool gadget for your family, this foldable drone with a 1080p HD camera is the way to go. It's safe, easy to use, and packed with features that will keep everyone entertained. Check out the link in the description to learn more and grab yours today. Happy flying!